Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking your niche and audience. This guides every choice. Once done, install the camera, editor, and link shortener apps on your phone so you can produce and track content fast. Next, create accounts on 2 to 3 affiliate networks, search for top products that solve your audience's pain, and copy the tracking links. Make sure to save links in a Notes app and sketch a 7-post content plan. This gets momentum immediately. You now focus on execution. Pick one platform and commit for 14 days. Short video often converts fastest. Record 3 content formats: review, how-to, and quick tip. Edit on your phone and always add captions and a clear CTA. Once edited, paste the affiliate tracking link and an honest disclosure in the description. Then schedule or batch publish 3 posts per week, monitor impressions and clicks, and tweak titles and thumbnails based on early data to improve CTR. You finish the funnel by analyzing CTR, conversion rate, and earnings per click. This tells you what to scale. If metrics look good, run small targeted ads or boost top posts, and a /B test creatives and link placement to lift conversions. Make sure to withdraw affiliate payouts and track income for taxes, such as Form 1099 if applicable. If conversions are low, check landing speed, mismatch between ad and offer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.